Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the mouse pointer speed on 3Dconnexion CadMouse Compact Wireless. To do it, simply go to, there are two methods, either in 3Dconnexion Home, which is the software for the mouse. You can go to settings, then change the speed right here. Basically, you can also do it in the settings of the system. So let's go to the settings, although the settings may be different if you have a different version of Windows, or maybe you have macOS or Linux. So here you just need to know it yourself, so I think it's better to do it with the app. But if you want to do it here, go to settings, then on Windows go to Bluetooth and devices, then go to mouse, and you'll find mouse pointer speed, and you can also change it here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.